this video, we're going to look at how to create a Python function and how to use it to calculate the values of component properties. This model is set up to manipulate the length, area, diameter, radius, and volume of each cell in Pipe 11. The diameter and length are interactive variables, and the rest are non-interactive. Interactive variable values can be entered directly and are typically used as inputs to functions. Non-interactive variable values can't be entered directly and are typically function outputs. Area and radius are calculated by an existing function in this model. We'll add a second function to calculate volume. Let's start by creating a new function from the functions category. Select Python from the available types and give it a more appropriate name. Since we'll be working in SI units, we can leave the engineering units property alone. Now to enter the Python source that will calculate the value. You can hit the Help button here if you want to know more about Python functions. This function is going to set the value of the volume variable based on the values of area and length. We'll use the built-in examples to speed things up. We're getting the values of area and length, so we need two getVariable calls. And we're setting the value of volume, so we'll need one setVariable call. Now, let's clean this up a bit. Change everything to use correct names. Add some math to calculate the volume. Then apply the changes and execute the function. You can see the volume change in the view. Now we can change length in the view and the volume we calculated automatically.